Hi there everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today is the February release for Trinity Stamps and we're doing a hop. And I'm really excited about the products I'm going to be using, so let's get into it. This is the brand new Simply Sentimental Faith stamp set, and if you know me at all, you know I love the Simply Sentimental line. And I have to say, this one might be one of my absolute favorites. I am a person of faith, and if you are too, you will love it. We're also going to bring in an older one called the Puffy Cloud Layers Stencil. We've got our Clingy Craft Mat, and we've got some various inks and our blending brushes. So let's get started with a piece of mixed media cardstock that measures 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches, and I am going to grab that Puffy Cloud Layers stencil, and we're going to slowly start blending on some color. So that first color I'm using is Scattered Straw. It's a very light yellow. I thought this would be perfect. We're going to try to go for more of a sunset look, but imagine the combinations you could do for any of these. So you wouldn't necessarily have to do something like this. I went to Pinterest, looked up sunsets, and just kind of picked some colors from there. I also have my color cube. That's another great option to use. So the second color I used was Spiced Marmalade. We're going to move on to using some Rusty Hinge next. And you see I've got 3 of those blending brushes for the different colors. And I'll of course have to clean up my stencil because as I go, I'm moving that stencil around and turning it so that the clouds look a little bit different. And I'm starting on my stencil and blending that color up. But like I was saying, the color combinations you could come up with for this would be so fun. And especially with the Faith stamp set, which I'm going to make a very simple card. You're going to see this doesn't take long, and it'd probably be very simple to duplicate as well. Just, have a bunch of cardstock going, keep flipping through and doing the different colors, and then you'll eventually have a bunch of backgrounds, and then you could die cut out all of your words and stamp the rest of your sentiments, and it would be very simple. So I may actually do that because these are cards I like to send. So all right, just blending those colors. Those last 2 were Stormy Sky and Chipped Sapphire. And then I kind of use the color around the edges a little bit. And then finally, I'm just going to spritz a little bit of silver that I have on there. I don't remember what I used, but I will have it linked down below. And maybe some other options if I can't find what I had. So the Faith Simply Sentimental stamp set also has a matching die. You could get the die separate. You don't have to have the stamp set. Obviously, they go perfectly together. But I did die cut out the shadow using some black cardstock, and the word itself I die cut out using some white cardstock. And I'm going to just use some reverse tweezers along with my liquid glue to adhere down each of the letters over that shadow. Now, I said this was a part of a hop. There's going to be all kinds of spring, Easter type stamp sets and products that are going to be shown today. And so you just head to the list and you can check out all of the hoppers, and there's a chance to win a prize. I have all the information listed down below in my description box, so be sure to head there. You can also head over to Instagram and be inspired there as well. I'll have that linked also, so be sure to head over there for another chance. All right, we're going to finish up with our word. You'll notice I'm kind of hopping around doing the letters. Sometimes it's easier. Once you get one letter down, you can get the next letter down. So I started with the H, I did the T and the I, then went to the F and the A. This one was a simple one to put together, but as you can see, there are several different fonts for the word faith, which I love. That's one of the things I love most about the Simply Sentimentals. So if you're unfamiliar, go head to the store and check those out. There are so many, and I love all of them. All right, so the sentiment I've chosen to use is "will carry you through." So I'm going to trim that down using my guillotine trimmer, and then we're going to put that under the word faith. So faith will carry you through. But there's so many great sentiments to go along with the words. And so check it out. Love it. All right, I am running low on some black cardstock, so I'm going to share a trick with you. I want to use this black piece of cardstock that measures 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches, and I want to put that behind my panel, but I did want to save some of that black cardstock for other things, so I trimmed out the center. I just basically went in a 1/2 inch and just trimmed down a rectangle out of the center. And now I'm going to glue down my panel, which I did trim down to 4 inches by 5 1/4. And so now we're going to attach this down to our card base, which measured 5 1/2 inches by 8 1/2 inches and was scored at 4 1/4. So it's a side folding A2 size card. We'll glue that down to the front, and then I'm going to use some foam strips on both of my words. So we're going to put some on the back of the word faith and also on our sentiments itself. And then I'll just peel off all of the release paper. But this one came together so quickly, and I love the impact that it has. Those clouds back there, just beautiful. Could be used with a lot of words too. There's a sympathy one in there that Trinity Stamps carries, but lots of great sentiments. So we've got faith will carry you through. And of course I couldn't stop there. So I did grab out some of my heart-shaped bubbles. These are beautiful. And I don't go too crazy. There are 3 different sizes in here. I just put 5 on there. So I put 2 on the upper right-hand corner and 3 on the lower left. That just kind of helps your eye draw up and down and, you know, go from that upper right to the lower left corner. So it's very appealing to the eye. And then now that that's done, that's going to finish off our card for today. I hope you love it as much as I do. I definitely plan to make more of these. If you do like that video or this card, please hit that like button. Definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And be sure to head down to the description box so that you can hop around and check out all that is out there. I appreciate you. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you soon.